Ever felt the rush of "I need to buy this now"? Introducing the 24-hour rule, your brain's best defense against impulse buys. Here's how it works. When you want to buy something you didn't plan for, wait 24 hours. No saving it to cart. No, just in case. Just wait. Most of the time, the urge is gone, and so is the wasteful spending. That's money saved for goals that actually matter. Smart habits like this build long-term wealth, one decision at a time. Budget smart. Save with purpose. Think before you tap buy. Remember, start budgeting smart today. Protect your credit and save with purpose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps more than you know. Want to support the channel directly like a Patreon? Visit www.pytown.ca/lifeledger and become part of the community. And if you're feeling the vibe, grab some of our merch here. atown.creatorspring.com. Thanks for watching. Keep your finances strong, and we'll see you next time on Life on a Ledger.